Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
So you guys,
Today's video we are going to be making chicken mashed potato tacos, and if you would like to see the recipe just keep on watching.
stay tuned.
Okay guys, for my chicken potato tacos, I threw in a piece of boneless chicken breast. I chopped up a few pieces of onion. I threw in some garlic and then like 2 to 3 teaspoons of caldo de pollo. You need Yukon potatoes. I'm using 3 because it's just Babe and I. You're gonna need your cheese for the topping inside. You're gonna need avocados. You don't need avocados, but I'm gonna throw some on top, and then sour cream as well as corn tortillas. Next, for the mashed potatoes, you're gonna cut your papas in, I believe, quarters, and you're just gonna throw them in to your pot of water. Alright, you're gonna boil your potatoes. I threw in some salt. You're gonna put it on medium-high heat. And to know when they're ready, they're just gonna be soft. Once they're like fork tender and soft, then they're ready. So usually for me, it takes like 45 minutes. And then for my chicken as well, I usually check my chicken in like an hour and a half, and then it's ready to be shredded. Alright guys, so it looks like my papas are ready. They're fork tender soft. Okay, so I am just gonna drain my papas and then I'll show you guys my next step. Okay, so for the mashed potatoes, I already drained them and threw them in a bowl. The ingredients that you are going to be using is butter, milk, I have Himalayan salt and pepper, parsley, and garlic powder. And these are the ingredients that you will be needing to make mashed potatoes. If you already make them or know how to make them, then you could use your own seasonings and ingredients. First, I'm just gonna add a little bit of milk to my papas. I'm gonna just add a splash right there. So just a little splash. And then I am just going to mash them. Alright, next I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons of butter. So there's like 1. Here's the second one. And then I'm just gonna add a little splash more of milk, just a tiny bit. Okay. And then I am just going to swish it around. I'm gonna start adding my seasonings right now as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna add like a pinch of parsley. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna add a pinch of parsley, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, I added my salt and pepper, and then I added 2 more tablespoons of butter, and then lastly I'm gonna add like a little bit of garlic powder. And I'm just gonna mix it all together. You guys really need to try this. This is fire. My mashed potatoes are bomb, guys, bomb. Okay guys, so my chicken looks about ready. I'm about to take it out. I cut it in half and it looks white. The whole thing is white. So now I'm just gonna take it out and shred it. See, looks white. That's how your chicken should look. Okay, so I finished shredding up the chicken. I just added a little bit of juice from the chicken. That way it could be moist. And just stay tuned. I'm gonna put everything all together and I'll show you how it looks. I grated my cheese and chopped up my avocado. Okay guys, for your next step, you're gonna use some vegetable oil. You're just gonna put a little bit and you're gonna place your tortillas on there. You're basically just gonna warm them. So you're gonna leave them on like maybe like 30 seconds each side. Okay, so I finished warming up the tortillas. Now I'm just gonna make the tacos. So you're just gonna grab a scoop of mashed potatoes. And then you're just gonna add a little bit of chicken. Alright, before I put the tacos on, I'm just gonna add the oil and get it heated first. Okay, perfect. Alright, so your tacos should like look like this. You can make it as fat as you want, and then you're just gonna throw it on the oil.
So it gets like what, brown?
Yeah. Alright, and then yeah, you're just gonna add your scoop of mashed potatoes.
So you like basically spread it on there, right?
Yeah, I usually spread it.
It kind of sticks better.
Yeah.
That way whenever you fry it, like a little secret. Because like at first it would be a bitch and shit. Like I didn't like making these, but now it's my shit.
And there
Another
you go.
one?
You're just gonna add it as well.
Hold on.
Alright guys, so this is how the mashed potato tacos are looking. Babe flips them for me.
Oh, yeah. So basically, like, what we usually do is try to avoid like flipping it too many times because then shit starts falling out. So what I like to do is just let it get brown. See, I should have left that one longer.
It's all good.
Okay. You put these one on after though.
Yeah.
That
one's good.
Yeah, basically you do it for like 8 minutes or whatever, depending on how high you have that shit.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add my toppings. I'm gonna start off with some sour cream. I'll just put like a dollop. And then I'm gonna add, actually I'm gonna add my salsa. Some cheese. And avocado. Bomb. These are how my tacos are looking. Babes.
It's time to
Okay
eat right
guys,
now.
so now we're just gonna take a bite for you guys.
That motherfucker's hot.
Fire. Who cares? We're
Alright,
gonna
let's
take a
do
bite
it.
for everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my god. Oh, bomb.
It was bomb.